Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you important things that you have to be aware of about the GOAT funded trader and how it works. Now, it's very important things that when you're going to check here for the GOAT funded trader, and you're going to check the reviews, and also I read this comment here like, look, that GOAT is a fraud. On every trade I place R2, and I'll give you example. When I lose, it's not 1000 USD, it is 1200 to 1300 USD plus fee, and when I win, it's not 2000 USD, it's 1600 to 1700 minus fee. So you see right here, this like important thing. And also, like, I recommend like reading the reviews here that are kind of like important things that you have to be aware of. So and then when you're gonna look here for how it actually works, so you have like instant, 2-step, 3-step, the funding, and you can choose between 10k, 15k, 25k, 50k, 100k, and there you're gonna have like the pricing here. And let's say we're gonna go for the 10k, you have target like 6%, daily drawdown like 4%, maximum drawdown 8%, trading period unlimited, and then you can have also the leverage here. So that's something that you're gonna get, and that's for it. Is like pretty straightforward. But when you're gonna check here for the kind of like the reviews here, this is something that you have to be aware of. And of course, like if you want to get what are the best right now on the market, the trading funding platforms, like let me down below in the comments, and I can like help you and provide you the guidance and which one is the best and how you can actually like win in this market. So thank you very much for watching. It is like pretty straightforward when you're going to check here. Like you can go with the 1-step, but then also the target increases for the 3-step. And also you can have the instant here. So you see for the target, no minimum target, daily drawdown, maximum drawdown, and you see right here the pricing. So the primary thing that why I didn't go with them is that when you're going to check the reviews here, and I'm always checking reviews and I don't like this, to be honest. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.